Hi again, and we're taking another look at a target packet question, number 15 this time. We're going to try and find the exact area of the shaded region if the diameter of the big circle is 12. A couple of things going on here. First of all, if we want to find the exact value, that means that pi is going to have to be in my final answer. The other thing is that if the diameter of the big circle is 12, then if I divide that by 3, that means that the diameter of each one of the smaller circles is going to be 4. Just as kind of a idea of what we're going to do, we want to find the area of the big half circle, subtract the area of the 3 smaller circles, and that should give us our answer. So let's start with the area of the large circle. We know that the area is pi r squared, but because it's only half of a circle, I need to divide that by 2. So it will be pi times 6 squared divided by 2, which is going to be 36 pi divided by 2, which is 18 pi. Now, to find the area of the smaller half circles, we have to do again pi r squared. But now instead of dividing by 2, notice I have 1, 2, 3 half circles. So that's 3 halves of circles that I have, so that's the fraction I need to multiply by. So we're going to have pi times 2 squared times 3 halves. So that's going to be pi times 4 times 3 halves, which will be 12 pi divided by 2, which is equal to 6 pi. So the area of the 3 small half circles is 6 pi. The area of the one big half circle is 18 pi. To find the area of the shaded region, I do 18 pi and subtract 6 pi, which will leave me with 12 pi.